Grand day to all of our Cleveland College preparatory families. This is Dr. Scott here, and I'm just so elated, so delighted to be with you. Actually, we have all of our team in here with us. Dean Thompson is here with me. He's going to come around to the camera. We have Mrs. Lysinger, yeah, that's Mrs. Flynn. We are the CCP administrative team. As you see, Ms. Lysinger. We're so excited to welcome all of our families back. Let's talk about our commitments and our priorities. Our commitment and priority, first and foremost, is to create an academically rigorous environment where all of our scholars can thrive academically. Second thing is to create an environment that is peaceful and that has harmony, free of bullying and harassment. Our students shouldn't have to come to a school where they're worried about being picked on, etc. So we're going to continue the safe, loving atmosphere. And finally, we want to make sure that all of our students are prepared for college. And this year, we're adding not only the Cleveland College Word of the Week, but we're also adding the Spanish phrase of the week. And I'm so excited to welcome all of our students back and for our new families. I can't tell you how elated I am to welcome you to our family. You will feel love, you will feel respect, and it will be a structured environment. Middle school families, we heard you. We will not be having e-learning this year, the Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. But we heard the concerns of our family, and we promise to do better, be better, and to serve your academic, emotional, and family needs. So we're excited to welcome you. We're excited about the brand new school year. We're excited about your future because what's coming to you will be better than what's being. And we promise that the best is yet to come. I look forward to seeing you soon. School starts August 15th. You'll begin receiving emails, etc., from us updating you on the start of the school year. Have a great day.